Hello everybody to our channel Crypto Halloween. Fellow crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the spectacular world Crypto of Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of cryptocurrencies world with me, Steven, your guide through this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises and touch of magic. In today's video, we'll share with you a new project that's called Borroe Finance. But before we dive into this crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor, and the content presented in this video is not intended as a financial or investment advice. Information provided here is just for education, entertainment, and knowledge purpose only. So don't forget to put like in this video and comment, and see you after this intro. So welcome back to the next part of our video, when we'll talk about our project Borroe Finance. It's borrowing reinvented, empowering Web3 growth with the funding it needs. The marketplace built for Web3 businesses to sell and convert future recurring revenue like subscription into upfront cash. You can from here view QIC, view smart chain contracts, and watch the video of this project. 72.5 has already been sold, and you can buy it from here: Ethereum, BNB, USDT, USDC, and card, and more option of payment. Press and news have already talked about this project: Benzinga, Crypto Weekly, Digital Journal, Market Watch, Yahoo Finance, Bein Crypto, BitConnected, Bloomberg, News BTC, and Bitcoin.com. You can join the community from here. We will see the white paper after the first page of the official website. Borroe is a revolutionary AI-powered funding marketplace that helps content creators and other WP participants access upfront cash by selling, feature earning from subscription, invoices, royalties, and more to the community that consume their content. Community created value, built to scale, simple tools, adoption, and integration, including user-friendly crypto that help you to scale. And also, all things are made by Web3 solutions, so this project is focused in Web3. You can also join the pre-sale from here by connecting MetaMask, Coinbase, or any wallet you have. But for now, let's continue our project. The needs for Borroe. Challenges. Web3 represent the next revolution of the internet, where value is rightfully shared in the creators, and it's clear that legacy systems used by traditional funding providers are no longer suited to evolving landscape and impeding the industry's overall advancement. Traditional involves factoring in financing and or discounting problems like high cost, lack of automation, no confidentiality, increased possibility of fraud, and many other problems that be solved by this project. Solution is to use Borroe and the NFTs made by this project. How it works: the platform integrates AI-powered risk assessment, secure blockchain technology, and streamlined payment solution, providing a safe and efficient fundraising process. This encourages buyers to easily sell and trade NFTs directly with each other. Secondly, market fostering a truly peer-to-peer ecosystem. Sellers can offer also large discounts and other incentive to encourage the community to fund their requests. You can follow the path here to see how it goes, or how it works. Invoice seller, marketplace, invoice buyer from the seller sign up, and all the steps that can you see. Borroe explained from the step 1: connect wallet, select payment method, amount confirmation, and you can see the video from here to see the video of creation. Join the pre-sale. Token overview: the marketplace will be built in Ethereum, sidechain, Polygon, because the platform flexibility, low transaction fees, quick transfer times, and many other features. You can check from here: Aeronomics, 50% for public, 10% for treasury, 5% for team, 2.5 rewards for the rewards partners, 2.5 marketing, 10%, exchange listing for 10%, and liquidity pool for 10%. Features and benefits, you can see it from here, and the roadmap, it's very detailed, as you see, from the release to the growth, website white paper, and the other things to the new partnership and expansion into other markets. Powered by all these technologies, and this is the team here. You can check their LinkedIn. You can also join the Telegram and the Twitter, or the X for now, and you can also see all the emails and receive first the rewards and the bonuses by pushing your email here. Any question or frequent question, you can see it here, what is Borroe and the other question. And let's see now the white paper. So the white paper is very detailed, as you see. You can read it by yourself, and it contains introduction about the project, ecosystem and how it works, token overview, and legal, just to see that your money is safe. So I hope I was helpful in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.